Well, welcome, Chris. Welcome, Cam. My name's Riza Rasool. I'm chair of Kwaai. Kwaai is a developer community with a mission to democratize AI. Let me introduce Chris Weir.
Thanks, Riza. Yeah, I'm Chris Weir. I'm the CEO and co-founder at Verida. Verida is a decentralized network focusing on data connectivity, allowing people to own their own user data, connect that to AI in a confidential way, and provide encrypted storage for that user data.
Fantastic. And Cam Gear.
Thanks, Riza. Cam Gear. I am a managing member of the Verida DAO, and in that role, I am the treasurer of the organization, so I oversee all the activities of the Verida token, VDA, and treasury operations, trading, and liquidity, and so forth. Thanks for having us on today.
Fantastic. So, Chris, why are we here today?
Well, we have a very exciting announcement, and it's great to have you here, Riza, as we make this announcement. Kwaai and Verida have joined forces. Our objective is to accelerate the world's first open source personal AI platform. I've been very impressed and have known you, Riza, and members of the Kwaai team for a while now, and the opportunity came up for us to start working even more closely together. I've been super impressed with the community that Kwaai has, a real strong volunteer-led organisation with, I think, over 800 participants in that community, focusing on all sorts of really interesting research around decentralized AI, personal AI. And on the Verida side, we've been working really hard on data connectivity, allowing people to own their own data, thinking about how that connects into AI and decentralized storage. So there's a really great opportunity here to create something even bigger than what our respective projects have been doing. And we have a really shared vision, I think, around what personal AI looks like, what decentralized AI looks like that's sovereign to the user. And by joining forces, we have a greater collection of resources, technology. There's a Verida token that could become part of a broader sort of decentralized personal AI credit-based system. And yeah, I think this is a really exciting move. If you look at the history of open source technology and things like the Linux Foundation, there's a real history here of technology coming together and driving force and disruption to improve the world. And ultimately, I think that's the mission that we have here. So a really exciting announcement, and I'll hand it back to you, Riza, to sort of share more from your side.
Yeah, I think what we're demonstrating here is the superpower of open source. It's the pride of ownership, or the not invented here syndrome, that innovation in corporate silos is not a phenomenon that we have in the open source community. We can combine and cross-pollinate and pick the best of the open source code bases and amalgamate those to come up with world-class solutions. So we're really grateful for Verida's gracious open sourcing of their software. This actually accelerates the Kwaai mission. The Kwaai mission is broadly to democratize AI, but we focus on personal AI. We believe that if AI is going to be truly uplifting for humanity, let's start with the problems of humans first. Let other people, there are loads of for-profit startups focusing on the optimizations of corporate workflows. We believe that if you start with individuals first, the superpower, the 10x improvement that we all get will in aggregate trickle up to the rest of the economy. Frankly, I don't believe in the trickle down theory. It never trickled down, and it never will. More importantly, community comes first. I instead decided to create a non-profit AI lab and leverage the power of community. Now is the time for community to engage. We cannot rely upon government to shield us from the excesses of large corporations. There's no cavalry coming. You are the cavalry. And that's the mantra that we use to invite volunteers to come and join our Rebel Alliance, to come and participate in a community-driven movement to democratize AI. I'm messaging you in the Verida community to come and join the Kwaai movement, because we are on a path to transform AI to something that is going to be truly uplifting for humanity. It's an AI that focuses, yes, on the problems of the individuals. It respects the data sovereignty of individuals. Your data is yours. You are the best custodian of your data. We say, leave your data local. The AI is going to come to you. And so we devised a peer-to-peer AI fabric we call Kwaai. And this allows you to run AI on a distributed digital public infrastructure. It's an infrastructure that you can contribute to. You can plug in your own computer to it. In fact, this very computer that we're recording this message on, that we're video conferencing, is at this moment contributing to Kwaai. Imagine that. Imagine a network built by the people, for the people, in order to run AI that's going to be truly uplifting. Gosh, I need to get off my soapbox here. Cam, why don't you bring us down to reality?
Yeah, so we see the Verida token as being a critical component to really how to drive those incentives across the future of the Kwaai network. And in order to maintain a level of continuity and my own interest in the mission of Kwaai and the democratization of AI, and really getting to a point where we can drive the intention economy, I think a token and tokenomics are necessary to make that happen. There's been so much great work done, research and experimentation over the last 10 years around tokenomics and tokenization of assets and so forth, that there is just a great synergy between Verida and Kwaai, and where Kwaai is on its roadmap, and how to achieve the vision of one of the Kwai's own board members, Doc Searles, with the realization and manifestation of the intention economy.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. Look, we've within Kwaai, we have a rich vein of critical thinkers in the area of AI, not just the cheerleaders of the status quo. We're trying to imagine a new world for AI. It's a technical think tank, but it's also a policy thing. Come and join up, join the Rebel Alliance, and you can maybe get one of these cool hoodies. It doesn't work well on me, does it? But look, it might look better on you. Join up, contribute, and you may get one of these.
Thanks, Reza. I'll have to get one soon.
Yes.